In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's views: calendar, timeline, map, dashboard, and table. Trello offers a variety of views to help you organize and visualize your projects in different ways. These views can be incredibly useful for teams working on complex projects or simply for anyone looking to manage their tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of these features. First and foremost, you need to navigate to Trello. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll need to select how you'd like to log in. This might be through your Google account, Microsoft account, or any other method you've set up. After logging in, find the board you want to work with. On the Board menu, right next to the name of your board, you'll notice a drop-down button. This is where you can access the various views we'll be discussing today. Starting with the calendar view, this feature displays all your cards with due dates laid out on a calendar. This is particularly useful for visualizing deadlines and scheduling tasks. You can choose to view your calendar by day, week, or month, depending on your needs. What's great about this view is the ability to effortlessly drag and drop tasks to reschedule them. If you need to add a new task, you can do so directly from the calendar view, making it a very dynamic tool for managing timelines. Next, we have the timeline view, which presents your cards in a horizontal timeline akin to a Gantt chart. This view is fantastic for visualizing project timelines, understanding dependencies, and tracking progress over time. You can organize your cards by date, member, label, or list, offering flexibility in how you manage your projects. Please note that the timeline view is available for premium and enterprise workspaces, and you can access it from the view switcher by selecting Timeline. Moving on to the map view, this is particularly useful for projects that involve physical locations, such as events, travel planning, or real estate. It allows you to see cards with location data plotted on a map. You can add locations to cards and have an easy visual reference of where everything is situated. To access the map view, simply go to the view switcher and choose Map. The dashboard view provides a visual overview of key metrics like due dates, assigned cards, and cards per list. This view is excellent for helping teams understand project progress and identify any potential bottlenecks. It offers a comprehensive snapshot of your project status, allowing for better informed decision-making. You can access this by selecting Dashboard from the View switcher. Lastly, we have the Table view, which organizes your cards in a spreadsheet-like table format. This view allows for easy filtering, sorting, and editing of card data. The table view is particularly beneficial for those who prefer a more structured, tabular approach to managing data. Like the timeline view, it's available to premium and enterprise users and can be accessed via the view switcher by choosing Table. By utilizing these versatile views in Trello, you can optimize how you manage and visualize your projects, making your workflow more efficient and insightful. Feel free to explore each view and see how they can complement your project management style. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!